Hello, I'd like to welcome you all to Willa Dean's Kitchen. Spring is in the air. It's a good season to start cooking some really good recipes. So what we're going to do, this is one of our building flavor recipes. So we're going to make some garlic onion paste here. This is something that you can use in any recipe where it says add some garlic or garlic and onions to it. So first thing I have here is I have some garlic cloves that I have prepared for the to be baked off here, and I have some onions as well. We got some salt and some pepper, and we have some oil. So what we're going to do is first we're going to add a little salt in here to our garlic, a little pepper. Next, we're just going to add the onions right on top, just like so. And same thing, a little salt. And the salt brings out the flavor of your food, your ingredients, whatever you have in there, and a little pepper. So now that we have this here in our ramekin here, we're going to add some oil. And as I said, this is very easy. You can do it anytime at home. So we're going to add some oil in here. And we're going to let this bake in our oven. And we have our oven over here set at 300 degrees for 1 hour. And what's going to happen, that's just soften up the garlic really good and the onions as well. And then we're going to use our hand mixer to blend it up into a nice paste. You can go very fine paste or you could kind of leave it kind of chunky, but that's what we're going to do. So the next thing I'm going to do is get this in the oven, and we'll come back once it's finished baking after 1 hour. Okay, everybody, our garlic cloves and our diced onion have roasted for 1 hour. We're gonna, it's been cooling off here in this oven. We're just gonna take this out, show you what it looks like. It's still a little warm. A little heat on my fingers there, but this is what our roasted garlic cloves and onions look like. Okay, our next step is to use our immersion blender. We're gonna blend this up and turn it into a paste. We're gonna strain this oil off. This oil is very flavorful, so you don't want to waste that. You'll save that in a container and you can use it for various cooking recipes around the kitchen. So let me get everything set up to strain the oil and use the blender and make us a nice paste. All right, so we strained the oil off. Our garlic cloves and onions are in this bowl here. I have the immersion blender here. It's ready to go. So let's see what we can do here. Get some garlic paste going. Okay, so it doesn't take long for this blender to work. As you can see, we got us a nice paste here now. So we're going to get it out of this bowl. And mine has a little bit of chunks in it. Now you can keep immersion blending it till it is nice and smooth, but I like a little chunks in there, and the garlic is soft anyway, so it should absorb into pretty much any food item you put it in. All right, that was easy. This is our finished product, a nice smooth garlic and onion paste. Mine is a little chunky. I like a little bit of the bits of garlic and onion in there. This is what it looks like. And it's a flavor booster for just about any dish that you're going to cook where you will need some chopped garlic or minced garlic in it. So tonight we have risotto on the menu, mushroom risotto. So we're going to make up that risotto. We're going to use some of this garlic onion paste in our risotto, and I'll show you a photo of that once I get that prepared. I'll add that to this video. So always give it just a taste, see what it tastes like. Lots of flavor. The garlic is mild. Once you cook the garlic, it's not as pungent as raw garlic, but it has good flavor to it. So this is easy. I hope you try this at home. You can put this in your refrigerator. It'll last 3, 4, maybe 5 weeks in the refrigerator. And when you need some minced garlic, it's at your fingertips. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Try this at home. Let me know how you like it. And thank you for visiting Willa Dean's Kitchen.